If things are ever to go according to my plan, according to my wish, yo, 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 man, yo, I'll be the biggest thing alive. I'll be the biggest thing alive, the biggest kid alive, the richest kid alive. I'll be visiting all the nations in the world, man. I'll be explaining everything to them. If things were ever to go according to my plan, my wish, I'll be rich. I'll be wealthy. The whole world will come to me. They'll bow down to me. You know. Because I am the spirit of truth. I am God's son. God chose me. And he showed me everything. Where he is, who he is, what heaven is. Yo! And I know exactly what happened in the Garden of Eden. Yo, man. Yo. Phew. I'll be everywhere, man. I'll be trending. All news, all networks, everywhere, man. Wherever you can think of. I'll be trending. I'll be the biggest thing alive. Yo.